Welcome aboard of the Babro Beluga 1250 Marella Star. We invite you for a tour in our ship. We start inside. We are inside of the yacht. We start in the engine room. Every morning, an optical check of the engine to take a look if there is some leak for water or oil. If, please call us. The number is in the booklet. We go to the kitchen. To start the fridge, please switch fridge on. Coffee machine. We can use it anytime with coffee filter number 4. Then the gas stove. To use the gas stove, turn to the left, press, make a small fire, press about 2-3 seconds and the stove will burn. To stop it, turn it back. To use the toilet, we start with before use. Press before use, a small water will come into the toilet. When you use the toilet, press after use and more water will come into the toilet and flush automatically everything away. Please don't use a lot of paper and don't use wet towels in the toilet. It damages immediately. The switch upper of it, it's the pump for the shower. If you want to shower, switch on. When you are ready with the shower, switch off. In the shower, in the stern, he pumps away automatically. The heating. To start the heating, turn thermostat to the right. The small red light will start to burn and the engine will start to run. To stop, please turn thermostat back. Then we have the panel for the battery charger inverter. Now we are connected with shore power. We have the blue and the yellow light. When we disconnect the shore power, the yellow light will switch off and the blue one will go from mains on to inverter on. And we have 230 volts on the plugs by batteries. And now we are in the steering position. I will invite you to take a look on the deck and the front. Follow me, please. We start with the inlet drinking water. The best is refill it every 2 days. Then you have anytime enough water on the boat. Then we go to the anchor. To drop the anchor, unlock and the anchor will drop down. When enough chain is dropped down, block it again and to move the anchor back in the boat to the front, to the stern, to the front, to the stern and the anchor will come back in the yacht. And now we have the inlet for fuel. At the end of your holiday, please refill it only one time. It's enough. We are at the steering position. I will explain a couple of things. We start with depth sounder. To change the letters, press one time and it will be big. Then we have the rudder positioner and the level of fuel and water. Chart plotter and switches for 3 times. Wiper left, wiper middle and wiper right. Anchor light, navigation lights, navigation instruments to switch on. Then we have the water pump for the flowing water in the kitchen and the toilet. And 2 times lens pump anytime switched on. Then horn and boat thruster to the left, bow thruster to the right, stern thruster to the left, and stern thruster to the right. Engine. Oil pressure between 2 and 3, 3 and 4, it depends how many RPR you are sailing. Then water cooling temperature 80 degrees and voltage. To start the engine, put the neutral, turn the key and turn further and the engine will start. Anytime when you start the engine, one time put it out and make a power in the neutral, and the alternator will recharge the batteries during your sailing, and then the forward and the return. To switch off, press red, engine stops, and then the key one step back. This is the explanation of the Babro Beluga 1250 Marella Star. If you have any questions by leaving our marina, please come to us and we can give you the answer. Have a nice holiday.